Officials and first responders calling it the disaster a mass casualty. And we have team coverage on this tonight. Our Kristen Casilio, she tells us what witnesses saw, and they're saying it looked like a war zone.
What started as a joyous occasion full of hope ringing in the new year turned into a horrible tragedy on Keaka Drive in Aliamanu. This is the aftermath of what's being called a mass casualty event with at least 3 people dead and more than 20 others injured. And heavy-hearted neighbors are still in shock about the massive explosion that killed their friends.
Really, really good people. Neighborhood friends. Everybody knows, everybody loves them.
Neighbors say the home belonged to the Benigno Ohana, all celebrating together from young keiki to kupuna. Jack Ka'auvai Jr., who lives just a few houses away, says he was at their party minutes before heading back home before midnight. That's when he heard a huge blast and saw bodies scattered everywhere.
A lot of lacerations, a lot of people had burns, seared. People was all black-faced and on the big giant puff of smoke. But it was bad. It looked like a war zone, actually. I just seen people collapsing on the road.
He says it's a tight-knit neighborhood, with neighbors going to and from each other's parties before the chaos ensued.
It was a family neighborhood party. Nice people. Everybody's nice. Everybody knows everybody in this neighborhood. So all the parties that was down the road, they would trickle down to that party. Everybody's saying hi to everybody, yeah.
HPD says partygoers lit a huge cake bomb that fell over and shot into crates filled with fireworks. Governor Josh Green says there's likely more tragedy to come and a good chance that those involved will be disfigured, if not dead. Kristen Concilio, Island News.
One first responder said that today's scene was like responding to a mass casualty event in a war zone. Multiple city and federal agencies responded, dispatched 14 ambulances to the scene, but because of the congested street, they set up a triage center 2 to 3 houses away from the actual explosion and a transportation hub on Salt Lake Boulevard. First responders also used a color-coded system. Many people were red tagged, meaning critical burn and shrapnel injuries that could result in death.